Hello, everyone. This is Jim Orzynski with your Week 2 Screencast video. So I want to talk briefly about Discussion Board 2. I get pretty much my standard responses on that activity, exercise number 2 in the introduction, whether Theories of Intelligence is or is not a research paper. I know it doesn't sound like a research paper when you make your initial read, but if you look at the conventions, it does have research. Although there is significant use of the first person I, the topic in itself is whether or not we consider intelligence, and Ballinger is using himself as an example of what we all think from time to time, is that really we're not as dumb as we think we are. So keep that in mind as you move forward in looking at your topics. Try to break out of the traditional mold of the research essay or research paper. All I can say is I think somebody even mentioned it in the post about them being like dull and boring, where you just regurgitate the information in the research, and it's just something you've been trained to do, and it's try to break out of that mold for this particular project, this research project. So that brings me all to the first chapter is writing about and talking about possible research topics. We have 2 discussion boards due this week, discussion board 3 and discussion board 4. Discussion board number 3 is combining 2 exercises out of the textbook to get you thinking about a topic, working through some of the initial phases, doing some fast writing, responding some posts, get a genuine discussion going about a possible research topic. This is where you can flesh out a topic and look at your possibilities. Then on Friday, the big discussion board post will be the research proposal, exercise 1.5 from the textbook. I have some specific instructions here. You want to make sure that you do read the instructions carefully. I have a pretty tight assessment for this activity. I'm looking for certain parts, and I'm sure everybody will be able to flush out a research topic. Now, one thing I do want to emphasize here is that this research topic is going to carry you through the semester. We're going to start doing the research for your topic in chapter 2. We're going to carry that through to the annotated bibliography, will be the sources for that research topic, ultimately moving into the drafting of the research paper and moving on toward the end of the semester. So this is a topic you're going to live with. This is not just a one-off and you're going to move on to something else. This is sustained academic research about a topic. All right. So once again, I want everybody to be aware of the schedule. A couple of discussion boards this week. This is a reminder. I'm recording this on Sunday morning. Happy Father's Day if there are any fathers out there. So I want to have everyone aware that discussion board 1 and 2 responses are due Sunday, end of day, and those will be graded quickly on Monday morning, and then we're going to be moving on. Look for a lecture video in the middle of the week. If you have any questions or issues about my comments or the units or anything in Blackboard, be sure to send me an email. Just to emphasize the point about how a research paper should sound, you may want to take a look at the introduction. You want to just kind of focus on pages 8 and 9 and 10, the types of evidence. And I think you'll look at the 4 types of evidence there, and you'll find those in Theories of Intelligence. So anyway, I'll leave you with that. Have a good week. Look for the lecture video. Good luck.